Detectives believe bodies of child and mother were disposed of in East Kingston. Porter fatally stabbed, allegedly by woman in St. Andrew. Policeman shot and injured in Central Village ambush. Please remember to subscribe, like, share, comment, and don't forget to hit that notification bell so you can always be updated with the latest news. Now for the news in details. Police investigators believe that the bodies of Soraya Paulwell, the infant daughter of opposition Member of Parliament Philip Paulwell, and her mother Tosina Patterson were discarded at a crime scene that has been located in East Kingston, law enforcement sources revealed Saturday. The disclosure came after police crime scene investigators spent hours coursing the site located at an undisclosed location in Rockford on Friday and again on Saturday. The police are searching for a woman following an alleged domestic dispute which resulted in the stabbing death of a porter in Papine, St. Andrew on Friday. The deceased is 36-year-old Karen Henry of Hope Flats in Kintyre, St. Andrew. Reports from the police are that about 3:30 p.m., Henry and a woman who is said to be his common-law wife were at a premises when a dispute developed between them. During the altercation, Henry was allegedly stabbed by the woman. He was later pronounced dead at hospital. The police are probing the development. A policeman was shot and injured in a section of Central Village, St. Catherine, where he had reportedly gone to visit a friend Saturday night. The incident happened about 11 o'clock in the area commonly called Compound. It is reported that the cop heard explosions and attempted to leave the community. On reaching his vehicle, a group of gunmen allegedly started shooting at him. More details to come following further investigations.